Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And first of all, I'm back in my dining area where I can record again. And look, oh my goodness, this is what I got for Valentine's Day. So how cool is that? So I'm gonna open it. It's the Brothers Scan and Cut. It's the DX. So it is wireless network ready. And I am ready. How about you? Let's go ahead. I'm going to move this around and move this down just a bit. It looks like it keeps going lower and lower. So I have not done this in a while. But I think we're good. All right. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. We're going to see what it's all about. I have to tell you, not only am I loved, but he was like, so what exactly is it? And I'm like, I don't know, I just know that I need one. So, everybody says they need one. So I said, okay, well, I guess I need one. And he said, okay, well, I guess you need one. But I know that it's gonna help me, like, cut out some of my stamped images and whatnot, right? But let's see what all it is. I was super surprised when I found it. Oh, okay. So it does have some stuff. Let's see, you can't really see here. I'll move this down a little bit, right? So according to this, it looks like you could actually cut different things out. Thank you for your purchase. Here's the reference guides. I'll probably actually read them this time. See what else we've got in here. Got lots of little boxes of stuff. So I must admit, if you know what this stuff is, let me know, because I do not. We've got a power cord. So I've been looking, I was trying to get my printer set up, and I couldn't find the power cord for it anywhere to, for some reason, I don't know why. Not the power cord, but the cord, like the one that hooks up to your actual printer. And I couldn't find one, and I went to buy one, and it's the same one as the Cricut. So I was using my Cricut one for a while, and now, then I found my other one, so I'm actually pretty happy. And we gotta get this off too. I know, pain in the butt, but we gotta get it all figured out, right? It's like Christmas. Okay, I might just leave this here because I am having issues. Okay, there we go. I did not want to cut the cord. So we've got the power cord. What else is in here? Oh, we've got a mat. So it is kind of like a Cricut mat, right? Oh goodness, I'm a wee bit scared here. Ooh, ooh, oh no. Oh, be careful. Okay, that's everything. And here we go. Down the back. Look at the color, you guys. It's as close to Tiffany blue as we can get. Right? Does he know me or does he know me? This is huge. This is actually bigger than a Cricut. Let's move this out of the way. I thought it would be like this little 8x10 thing. Oh, we've got stuff. Stanley, you're fine. Stanley is over there watching out. Shall I show you? Hold on. We'll take, oh, he ran away. He ran away. I was like, shall I show you? And he instantly got down. Okay, here we go. So yeah, it does go in there like a map that you're going to load and everything. So I'm just doing this. Don't know what we're going to find here, but I literally thought you just like stuck a piece of paper in it and it cut it out. But oh gosh, looks like we got a new learning curve here. So it's got this like pulley system, right? What goes in here? Oh, a cutter? It looks like, what am I missing? It's got 2 levels. No, it looks like a cutter. Okay, this also looks like a cutter, so maybe it's in here. Ah, see? This is why I open things first. That's got a magnet. These are little magnets right here. You can't see. Hold on, let's see. There we go. Right here and right here, there's 2 little magnets, and you can see them right here. So they're gonna, cool. Let's see what's in here. Nothing. But you can put other stuff in there, I guess. Also magnets. What do we have? Got a little pouch. We've got a little stylus. We've got a little spatula thing. Definitely where the tools go. And then this is our cutter. I should probably be reading directions, right? All of the warnings. All right, first things first. Since we don't know what we're doing, let's plug it in. And see what happens. Alright. This little guy pops up or lays flat, however you'd like. Okay, I'm going to move this again for you. There we go. It's lighting up. I can't. Oh yeah. I don't know how this goes in. That looks like what we want it to do, maybe. But you can go to the home page. This carriage will move to the initial positions. Keep your hands away from the carriage. We've got patterns. We've got scanning. Oh, this is cool. Roll feeder, region emboss. And then my collection. USB is not insert. Okay, so we're going to have a USB plug. There's a test. And that must be to start. You guys, this is going to be fun. There's patterns. Look at that. Okay. That, I think, I've got to look at this, so in case you guys were wondering here. the let's get started. And we're not going to use anything today, so if you are not interested in that, just make sure you subscribe because I will be using this later. But we're just going to go through and look here at some of the stuff. Right? Oh, goodness. Looks like you can make some stencils. I don't know what all it cuts through. If you guys have one of these, let me know. I am super interested in hearing about this. Step 1, step 2, I did that right. That's cool. Step 1, attach the cardstock to the mat. So we're not there yet. Step 3, it looks like they have some type of, I don't know, what's it called? What's that called? Some type of program, there you go, that we can do, kind of like Design Studio, right? So we've got that. Stick that in there, and then it comes out just like a Cricut. And then we've got all this other stuff. Now it's also going to scan things, I hear. That's what I'm interested in. I'm literally interested in the scanning and cutting. So for those of you, again, who know, let me know. Tell me all about it. I want to hear. What do we have? Reference guides. Spanish. And another one. Warranties. And included accessories. I'm going to have to look for these accessories that were included. Did I put them away? Where are these included accessories? I'm looking to see. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. So these boxes are empty. I don't know that there's included accessories. I think they're telling me stories here. Alright. I definitely think there might be some stories that they're telling when it comes to included accessories. I'm not seeing anything. But this is included. Now I have heard that this is much stickier than expected. And I wonder if these will work with the Cricut mats or not. It is definitely, well, I was going to say that it is thinner than the Cricut mat, but it's really not. It's a different type of texture. But I love that it has the inches and whatnot on there. And this is the way that it goes in. It is 12 by 12. And there's two little levels here. I don't know what is level 1 and what is level 2. But well, they did have these accessories. Maybe the other pictures were of whatever's in here, because I do see some little blue thing as well. Oh, that's a piece of cardstock. So, all right. So there we go, you guys. I'm going to be able to make all kinds of great stuff. I could even stamp y'all some stickers, right? All right, so we are going to play with this. I will let you know. If you liked the unboxing, please give me a big thumbs up. If you, let me move this back to me now. There I am. What's this about? It's this one little bit of hair. It's just been sticking up. But if you like this, please let me know. Give me that big thumbs up. And again, make sure you subscribe because I am going to delve deeper into this for sure. Because it's not something I've found that people are talking about. They all say that they're great, but I don't know what that means in comparison to the Cricut or just a regular scanner. I just don't know. So we will see. All right, beauties, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you had a wonderful Valentine's. I definitely did. And that's it. We'll see you again. I'm going to be home this week. I'm going to be crafting. I have a DIY coming up. So make sure that you click that bell so you are reminded. All right. Have a great night. Talk to you later.